In an ADDS environment where you distribute FSMO roles among domain controllers, you might need to move a role from one domain controller to another. When you plan this role move, for example, to decommission servers or balance workloads, the move is known as transferring the role. If you do not plan the move, for example, in the case of a hardware or system failure, the move is known as seizing the role. When you transfer a role, the latest data from the domain controller in that role replicates to the target server. You should seize a role only as a last resort. When you seize a role, the original domain controller is not available, so the available data might be incomplete or out of date. Transferring FSMO roles. You can transfer FSMO roles through the GUI by using the ADDS snap-ins that the following table lists. Role snap-in. Schema master Active Directory schema. Domain naming master Active Directory domains and trusts. Infrastructure master Active Directory users and computers. RID master Active Directory users and computers. PDC emulator Active Directory users and computers. Seizing FSMO roles. You cannot use the snap-ins to seize FSMO roles. Instead, you must use the ntdsutil.exe command line tool or Windows PowerShell to seize roles. You can also use these tools to transfer roles. The syntax for transferring a role and seizing a role is similar within Windows PowerShell, as the following syntax line shows. Move a director a server operations masterly, identity, server name, operations master role namelist, force. For the preceding syntax line, the noteworthy definitions are as follows. Server name, the name of the target domain controller to which you are transferring one or more roles. Role namelist, a comma-separated list of ADDS role names to move to the target server. Force, an optional parameter that you include to seize a role instead of transferring it.